Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this delicious plantain and fried egg. We need one plantain, one ripe plantain, plum tomato, you can use any tomato, 3 eggs. We need onion and scotch bonnet with spring onion. Now let's cut off the 2 ends of the plantain and slice the plantain into 3. We'll be boiling this plantain with the skin on, because that prevents the plantain from soaking too much water. So now let's boil it. We'll be boiling it on low heat for like 6 to 8 minutes. Now we're going to cut the spring onion, remove the ends, we do not need it. So cut it into whatever size you prefer. I made mine to be a bit tiny, but not too tiny, because I like to see my spring onion floating about in the egg. And we'll then cut the plum tomato. For this we only need half. If you have a medium size or a small tomato, you can use that instead of slicing half of the tomato. It's because I don't have any small one in the fridge that I'm using half of this. And also we'll cut the onion. It doesn't have to be the red onion. You can use the shallot or the white onion, whatever you have. And now that we finish cutting, we then put the pan on the gas, add olive oil. Then while you are waiting for the oil to warm up, break your eggs into the bowl and add lemon juice, like 5 drops. So now that the oil is hot, we're going to add the tomato and the onion at the same time. The reason we are doing this is because the oil is already hot, so there is no point just frying the onion alone. If not, it will get burnt. Or frying it together with the tomato helps to slow down the cooking time of the onion. So we just need the tomato to fry for like 2 minutes till it's a bit soft. You will know when it is soft by pressing. When you press the tomato, it will give you like a kind of a paste kind of form when you press it. So that means the tomato is ready, and now we should be getting ready. Just maybe let it fry for 1 minute more, and we can add our scotch bonnet. We didn't add it at the beginning because if you add scotch bonnet to a very hot oil, you're going to spend the whole afternoon sneezing about. So we just let this fry for like 30 seconds. Then we add our spring onion. Now we just allow this to fry for 1 minute more. We don't want the vegetables to be overcooked, so we're going to fry this for just 1 minute. And we'll beat the eggs. Remember to add 5 drops of lemon juice to your eggs and salt to taste. The lemon juice helps to prevent the eggy taste of the egg. And now we will add the egg mixture to our fried vegetables. And from this point onward, it's good to make sure your gas is on low or medium heat so that you don't get the egg burnt. So we'll let this cook a little at the bottom, and then we're going to use a spatula or spoon to push it aside so that the one that has uncooked can then come to the clear space. Yeah, so just do that gently. So we allow this to cook for like 30 seconds more so that the other side can be fully cooked. And now we're going to flip, and the direction of flipping does not really matter because we are not making a rolled egg or a pancake, so we just flip from any direction, just like that. You can see the other side is cooked, and because I was frying on medium heat, it didn't get burnt. If you don't use medium or low heat, when you're about to flip it, you will observe that you get burnt egg, or it will become brown and hard. like this. It's looking juicy and it's almost ready. In 30 seconds, less than 1 minute, we should be ready to turn this into our plate to eat. See, there's no more uncooked parts remaining. Everything is now fully cooked. Now just peel the plantain. Remember why we boil this plantain with the skin on, to prevent it from soaking too much water. So just turn that to your plate. See that? This recipe is really very good breakfast idea. You can also have it for lunch, but today I chose to have it for breakfast. Also, it can be used for dinner, so it does not really matter which option. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumb up. Bye.